What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Before and After. Today we're going to be unboxing the Portland electric pressure washer. It's rated up to 1750 psi and it supposedly puts out 1.3 gallons per minute. So we're going to unbox that and then do some stuff with it. Hopefully we can get that done today. I don't know. We're going to try though. But at least we're going to get it unboxed, and we'll go from there. First up, instructions. Comes with a foam cannon of sorts. Different nozzles. Handle and gun. And then the unit itself, it should just slide right out, and apparently some screws. I bought this from Harbor Freight. Not really sure. I didn't do any reviews on it or anything. It's nothing special. But I want to do some things around my house, and I also want it for when I wash my cars. Because I don't want to always have to drive to Sewell to get my car washed. So, all right. Looks like we'll have to at least glance at the instructions.
A few moments later.
Alright, so the first thing I notice is that the handle itself, it's either a cutout or it's broken, but I don't think it's relevant. I had to take it right back out. Alright, so that took me about 5 minutes, but everything's connected now, so I'm going to, I've got the nozzle connected, I've got everything.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we're going to try this out for the first time. Hydration, very important. Going to turn the water on, and then we'll see. We'll turn the power on too. So it'll either be great or it'll be a freaking disaster. We'll see. Oh, there's one foul. I don't think that's gonna do it. Guess I took too long. Didn't have it locked, so maybe that was the reason for that. Anyway, let's try it out. Wow. I was expecting more. Pretty uneventful so far.